I'm going to minimize with respect to LK, WL plus RK subject to Y less than or equal to L times K. So you have to find the conditional labor demand, find the conditional capital demand, and find the cost function.
Okay. So notice that if you see this problem and this problem, the only difference is that we have L to the power half K to the power half here, and we have L into K here. Okay. So can you make this problem like this? Can you do something like this? Let's take square root both sides. It's not going to change anything. If I take square root both sides, I'm going to, it's the same problem. Okay, I'm not changing the problem at all. Okay, so I'm going to get what? Y to the power half is less than or equal to L to the power into K to the power half. If you see this problem and this problem, the only difference is that here you have to replace y by y to the power half. So all we can do is in all the solutions, you are just going to replace y by y to the power half. That's it. So what is the solution to this problem? LCWRY is equal to root R by W into square root of y. Okay, and I just want to replace this by square root of y. What is KCWRY? It is square root of R into square root of y. Okay, and what is first function CWRY? UWR root y. 2 root WRY. Is that fine? Okay. Now let's do this problem in exactly the same way. So what is the solution?
Okay, and the cost function will be